I just should go over any real quick because that was requested by a number of people, and Sarah just asked about it. And so this, yeah, actually, I haven't really looked at it since I did the last analysis, I imagine during the stream or maybe the rough cut requests. Yeah, and so, oh, yeah, probably when this channel, I probably did it up to this channel, which was the 26th, about 12 days ago. Yeah, so that's right. I probably did the analysis here. So it does look like, and I wonder if I cautioned, I probably did. I'm pretty sure I cautioned in that video about it testing this uptrend, which potentially looks nice, but it's getting multiple taps of it. It's eventually going to break. So yeah, hopefully that was helpful. I did not partake in this at all, but I did notice this, and it just seemed a little sketchy. And now, though, that does look like it's found support at a level, the 786 at a price of $1.70.5, green candle after testing it multiple days. Maybe it has found a bottom. And so I find that pretty interesting. And let's see, what's a good way to look at this a little closer, maybe from the high here. You know, and you could do this like these Fibonacci's. Somebody was asking me to do like a tutorial on like using Webull. That's the platform that I use, and doing this charting and stuff. And I need to make that video on it. I don't think it will perform that well, so I kind of don't want to make the video. But I feel like the best way to learn how to do this kind of stuff is just by like watching other people doing it and emulating it. And that's kind of what I've done, learning a lot from like Gareth Soloway and stuff, just like by watching his videos. But like, so you could take it from the high here and down to here, but because you did see, you know, a dip here and then a rally, dip here, then a rally. I don't know how valid that is. So really, I mean, I feel like taking it from the, you know, rejection of this level here to going down there, I think that's a better way to do this. And so that's really just approximate. Maybe I should do this exact though, because this does get requested a lot. Let's see, what's the low here? Okay, so I'm just going to adjust these. Let's see, 260 and 269.4. Cool. Yeah, so, and then that did get rejected, it looks like, from the 236. So if it can get above and close above, ideally the high from Friday, which was $1.95, but if it can start to hold the 236 at $1.91, I think that could be really good for it. And this could be a dip buying opportunity. But since it has broken down, if it can't hold above 191, this could be, you know, some bearish consolidation. Maybe it would continue lower. Let's see, other things that kind of correspond with that. I think maybe the volume profile. No, there's actually not too much there. It's kind of surprising. I guess there's this gap here. But, you know, I'm just thinking that there's this, you know, you see this consolidation here. So maybe it just zoomed in more. Yeah, you start to get the shelf up here around the 50% retracement. That's at like right around 215. But yeah, I mean, if it can reclaim 191 as support, does seem like that could be some support. And then there's not too much above it until, yeah, so this, like what I would think would happen here is if it can reclaim the 236, consolidate here, that would be like a little mini bull flag. And then it could maybe run up to the 50%, get rejected there, but then pull back to find support at the 382 at 204. So maybe that's an interesting way to play this. But I'd look for, you know, you don't want to see closes below 169.4. Like a close lower than this low. So yeah, I mean, I think it'll be important to keep an eye on for like Monday and Tuesday to see about that. And then, but yeah, definitely, it was testing this uptrend. So I'm proud of my analysis for that and cautioning about this breaking down, and that it happened like 2 days after that. So that's pretty cool as far as the chart goes. But yeah, whenever there's something that's being tested multiple times, like this uptrend, I mean, it's kind of rough. It's just based on the low here from December 11th. I don't know if you can, yeah, Ed's not in the way there. And then also the low here from January 23rd, I believe. It actually doesn't look like it intersects exactly with that. Maybe it's should actually be over here. Maybe that's drawn off a little bit, you know. Let's see. Is it? Yeah, it's not locked in place, so I didn't draw it perfectly. And yeah, so maybe I should do that just so I don't bump into this issue again. So the low here, 111, and then the low, maybe I should do it here, 166. So 111 and 166. Cool, that's it. Lock that into place. But yeah, I mean, got a fake out here. You know, that's why you need to see, you see one close below it. Okay, it hasn't broken yet. You need to get that confirmation. Then the next day you get this big green candle, bullish engulfing candle. And so that's a fake out there. And then here, this, yeah, I mean, again, you know, close below, but you're not holding it. You're not getting lower closes. And then here, you test it, but then you get a close below, and then this close below. That's confirmation. Then it's like, okay, then exit position, it might go lower. And yeah, so that's an interesting chart.